Hey, what's up guys? This is Sami again here, Armin again here. Welcome back to Coffee Time. Today is 19 July 2023. Long live the king. And this is new wallpaper. What I wanna do, we want to trade just with command. And now for example, let's this is my OKX account, which I have here. How much? 15 euro here, 15. This is let me go to trading account. You see this is $2. Let me go to the funding. Let's transfer it from there to the trading. Okay, now I have here a trading account which is 14.92 as USDT. Okay, now I don't want each time to come here. Let's communicate to API, which you want to go here and you make API key easily, and I show you where you want. For example, if I'm coming here, API keys, I have made an API YouTube recording one-time use. After this video I'm going to remove it, and this API permission is read and trade. You can get info and trade, not withdraw, just trade in that platform. Okay, now let's back here to a spot. Here, let's imagine I have $14 and I want to buy, I don't know, Bitcoin. Okay, I want now, this is just platform what I want to use. This is here. If you want to buy something, you put price, amount, and you buy it. This is not the case. Let me open our client. We had $14 as USDT. Okay, now I want to buy $12 as, doesn't matter which coin, because
voice command activated listening.
number six. Okay, what it say blah 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 blah. And now let's go back to our client here, which is here. Let's go to my assets. Let's back here, and as you let me go back to my trading. I have here $11 of BNB. Okay, I'm going again say convert it from for example BNB to USDT maximum. I say from there. Maximum, I convert it again to USDT. Okay, and I'm going back again to wallet. I'm going back to wallet here, which I have now. I'm going to funding again, and I want again transfer those back to my trading account. I say transfer. And now again I'm coming back here in assets. First show you what's behind, and then after that let's talk about it, how it. I'm going to trading. Again I have here 1486 USDT. Okay, now I want to back to my code now, which I'm coming back here to explain. I say here this is BTC. I want to buy BTC instead of BNB for $12. Okay, and now let's go back. Let's run it. You come down, baby. Here there is $14 USDT. Wait a moment. After that, when you did and everything finish, and you say read text, read text, I say here $, order succeed completed. Okay, after that read this for me, because yeah. Okay, now let's run this run our client. I don't have any access to Binance anymore. That's why you are coming to this web page, just something to test. Let's come here.
Voice command activated listening.
Number 6. Stop 1. Stop 1. Number 6.
Order success completed.
Order success completed. Now let's refresh the page. And voila, we have now Bitcoin instead of USDT. Now let's back to code. Let's see how a mechanism something like this works. But before of all, how a web page like this work, you have to log in your account here.
Thank you, sir. You are welcome. Maybe I will love you later. Kiss kiss. Do you need code to remember you next time?
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Okay, when you make an account, when you log in, after that you are you get access to buy. And look, first, this is a mechanism in C#. Now we want to do this. We want first of all make a login, sign in, say let's sign in. After that, buy what you want. Let's go back here and close this. Here is this. Let's do some explain. This is a really simple one. I have here made a separate OKX client. OKX public. This is a client, just a separate class, which is the name also is OKX client. And here I have 3 things. When you make API key in that platform, you get API key, secret key, and this is a base URL which is just base. And here I have also HTTP client. I have delay and explain later, and I have here a public timestamp, which is very important. And here this class has a constructor and initialize all those components. Timestamp word initialize, get initialized, and HTTP client get initialized. But what URL get initialized. This is also constructor. And now let's come here. There are here some methods. I have here one method to place a market order, which is just a simple one. Here I have send request, which is which I don't need it anymore. Let me show this. I remove this. I have here 3 critical function. First one, generate signature, which you need. If I'm coming here to here it's going to explain all those things, what is it, how you wanna use it. For example, timestamp. I was some hour busy with timestamp. I didn't know they accept only UTC time. Okay, if you read this at the end, you are coming in this script, which you can get it also from ChatGPT. But in the first look, I don't know, maybe you get it, but in the first look you have to have some experience about that to read the code itself, because you won't get it right. Okay. And this is the thing, generate signature, string. It just say okay, it's going. Let me back here. It say when you want generate, for example, signature, how you wanna generate it, secret key. I mean, you know, and this is just an example. And this is what here happened. You generate a signature, which if I want to show you in debugger, for example. You wanna here return me base 64 of a signature. Let's see how looks like a base. Now I have I have here now not enough to buy, but let's execute it, and let's say just I wanna say just to show you how this method output looks like.
Voice command activated listening.
Number 6. Okay, I'm coming here. He say okay, this is now null for now, but let's see what is the. Let me, for example, if I'm come here, let me see. I need to go one line further. If I'm coming now here, let me see. OKEX signature return. So a signature something like this. If you work as web app with web applications, what was that? When you wanna log in, make a login. Now I forgot. You get a signature back. You use it for example 2 minutes or 5 minutes, and this is exactly like that. And here it explains how you get that. Okay. I'm going to stop it here, and then I'm saying here next method. This is generate only signature. This signature I need in other method to be, for example, now when I have my signature, which is a unique one, now in other I want now make a request to that base, and now I say this is generate the signature, and this is just parameters, and here these are also standard parameter for HTTP request headers. Here is API key, signature, timestamp, and seed phrase and pass phrase, which you make at the time of making API. And here we have a task place market by, or this is market by order, and when you execute it at the time with the current price execution is. And here is endpoint URL, which is request body like this. These are all foundable here. All, for example, I don't know. Oh, everywhere here in OKEX. If you read it, you will find everything. Okay, and let's back here. Okay, after that request is get request. I need a post request to that endpoint with this request body, and voila, and you get it. And let me again execute it. I mean, let me again say convert from US I mean BTC to no BTC what minimum amount, I say max 11, and now I say okay, that's okay. I'm coming again in trade. I mean, no, I'm coming here to asset, and here I say again in founding. What is going to founding? Bro, 20 minutes, huh? It's burning. My hard drive yesterday burns, and the computer crashed, and that's why. Okay, I have here now founding. I said transfer, and that's why I don't like to burn this hard drive one more time. And okay, let's execute it one more time, and yeah, let's come back here to assets. Here, let's come back here to assets. Here again 1482, which is, if you take a deep look here, this is USDT. And now I want again run our application, and I chosen for number 6 because this is simple.
Voice command activated listening.
Number 6. Number 6.
Order successed. Completed.
Completed. And now let's refresh the page. Let's see what is done. And voila, we have Bitcoin. Stop 1. Shadow. Hey Shadow.
I am Shadow, welcome here. I am Shadow, welcome here.
Rich box.
Information logger is cleared, stay standby.
My name is Armin, nice to meet you.
Oh really? I appreciate it. But you really rich for this?
Number 1.
Bitcoin price is 29,889.
100.
Moving average 100 days is 28,478.
You are my lovely client.
Thank you, sir. You are welcome. Maybe I will love you later. Kiss kiss. Do you need code to remember you next time?
Kill yourself.
Self-kill activated. Are you ready? Closing program in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 second. Closed.
Okay guys, this was for today, and I see you in the next one. Have a nice day.